exactly glass are made and what are the different properties of glass, as well as the different procedure and step which taking place to recycle the glass. Okay, so let's move towards the very first thing, that glass is one of the most beautiful substance that we see around us. You can observe that in your kitchen and even in your bedroom and even in your hall. Many of the articles you will be able to observe that they are made up of glass. Now, what are these articles? Like the light bulb, bottle, jar, glasses, reading glasses, marble, and window panes. These all are the some articles which are made up of glass. But as I told you in the starting of the lecture, we have many things around us. Some are man-made, some are natural. But many more time we do not concentrate on the from which article or from the article is made up of from which resource or the which material. Like in the starting of the lecture, I show you some pictures made up of the gold, articles made up of gold, article made from the clay. So what is the reason how this made and what are the procedure which take place to make this all? And today we are going to learn about the how exactly the glass material, like the things made up of glass is made from what, made from the sand or made from the some of the other thing, because it looks very attractive. Although this we have to take a lot of care of this glass material, but still we love to take the glass material because it is transparent and have some of the very beautiful we can say properties and features. Now let's see that how glass is made. The glass that is used to make so many things in your day-to-day life, it's exactly a man-made material. Which material it is? It's a man-made material. Now we know that is what is man-made material and what is natural material. The things which is made by the nature or we get from the nature, that is called as the natural resource or the nature base. And man-made is what? Man-made is something made by man. Like we have TV, we have computer, then we have some sofa and many more things which are there around us. These all are the man-made thing because these things are made by man. But sometimes the man-made things are also made by using the natural resources. Okay, now let's see that how glass is made and what are the things used to make the glass. What are the things required to make the glass? Can you guess what is made from? It may seem unbelievable, but the clear, transparent and smooth looking material is actually made from sand. Now here we come to know that the glass is made from a very, we can say, we cannot guess the material because sand is not transparent, but the material made from this sand is white sand, is transparent. Now why and how? By using some of the chemical and heating, these things are made. Okay. Now glass is made by heating a mixture of a clean white sand and chemical like soda and lime. Now limestones are there and soda, you know that in your day-to-day life also we know that the soda is used to just clean the things. Okay, so glass is made by mixture of these two thing, that is the chemical like soda and this white sand. They mix this both the things in a high temperature and heat it in furnace. Now what is furnace? Furnace means what? Something other area which is very hot and in which this mixture is heated. Okay, now the mixture is heated in furnace till it turn into the hot liquid glass. Okay, now hot liquid glass that you will be able to see in a video and you will get the clear idea about it. Now that mixture of sand and soda or lime get converted into the liquid, okay, because of the high temperature, and then when it's cool down, it become a stiff and hard. Now what happened when this liquid that the hot, when it is there inside the furnace, it is very hot and get converted into liquid. But when this mixture comes out, that time it becomes stiff and hard. When it's cooled down, what is become is become stiff and hard glass. Now if it is become hard and stiff, it is impossible to just turn into the give some shape. So what is exactly done by this person or the person, those who make the glass, what they do, they, when the temperature is very high or the glass is there in a liquid form, that time only they mold it. How they mold it and what is mean by molding, that we are going to see here. Now how glass is shaped. Now we see that the things which are there around us, they are available in the different shape and even in a different color. Okay, now jar having a round shape, bottle having a cylinder shape, okay, cylindrical shape. So there are the different shape in which the glass materials are available. Now in which way these all glass material get their shape? Okay, these all get the shape with the help of mold. Okay, now what is mold? Mold is a replica or the some of the hard article or the molding. Like when the summer season is there, your mother make ice cream, and for making the ice cream, she takes some of the molding material from the market. She buys some molding material and she put this liquid inside this mold, and after hold some of the 8 to 10 hours, that the ice cream become hard, and then you eat and the ice cream get the particular shape. So that is called the mold. Okay, to even make the modak also nowadays the molds are available. So in the same way, that to make the glass articles like the bottle shape mold or the bowl shape mold, these all are available and these are there in the factory where the glass made. And when this glass or the liquid of sand and soda is there in a liquid form and in a hot temperature only, this pour inside the mold. Okay, now very hot glass is more like a liquid. You can pour it and mold it and roll it, press it, or even blow it to make the variety of shape. Now how hot liquid is into the mold and hardened to make the articles of the various shape and size. It can also be rolled out to make the flat sheet of glass. The another process of molten glass is floated on a bed of the mold metal and very flat glass sheet even thickness. So what happened to make the plain glass, like the window pane having a plain glass? Okay, so to make the plain glass, even they have the molding shape of very plain mold shape. In that they pour all liquid glass mixture, and after some time it become thick when it's cooled down and stiff, and it is easy to just get it down and use and make an article from it. Now the gobes of the hot liquid glass can be blow into the bottles, bulb, glass, and other object. Liquid glass can also be drawn out into the very tiny fibers, and it's also called as glass wool. Now in a very tiny fibers, a very thin fibers, this glass is get converted, and it's just like a fiber, like as we use the this all thread and all. In that way also that glass is get converted with the help of mold. Okay. Now just as we have to see one video, and from there you will get a clear idea about. Now what you have to do, you have to just concentrate on each and everything which is mentioned in the video, like molding, then transforming, then cool down, and then polishing. This video don't have any instant, but you have to see that video carefully and understand that how exactly this glass made in the glass factory, okay, or glass get their shape. Okay, so let's see the video first. actually this glass made of. Okay. Now, what are the procedures are taking place while making the glass? Now, next we are going to see. Now, some of the properties of glass that we are going to see. Now, what are the properties? Properties are some of the features. Okay. Now, what are the properties of glass? That very first thing, it is transparent. Transparent means what? Transparent means that you can see, or you can see by and even the jars. Nowadays we buy the jars so that we can see that what is there inside the jar is made of steel. Then we open a cap and then to see that what is there in that jar. So nowadays mostly people buy glass because the from that's the features called it's transparent. Now then, transparent and strong hard that did not maintain the shape. This maintain even strong and hard, but sometimes we are not going to use it carefully and it. Now the glass is transparent as well as impermeable. Now, what is mean by this? That you can even it maintain the shape. This glass maintain the shape. Now next, contain it not make product the thing the glass is shaky. Now as the water from what will happen that it will hold the paper not going to hold water, but glass will hold. Okay. Now other than the other material like the if pour up milk and many material, then it will it and everything will be remain as is. It's not going to just harm this any product we are going to store inside of the glass. Okay, now you're going to store inside the plastic or other material. Then what will happen that the smell, the texture, it may get changed. That is the reason to store such a product waste inside the glass. Now, ordinary glass has a smooth surface and can be so this glass is what smooth material, even the transparent, and even you can store a water and milk inside of it. A last but not the least important that it looks beautiful. Yes, absolutely right. Even a person or any kind of guest come in our home, we serve the water and the juice inside the glass. Why? Because oh yeah, it's really look good and beautiful because we are able to see that things which is there inside in real life avoid it glass material, the glass utensil, but whenever the guests arrive or we are using the some of the specious occasion. Why? Because it looks beautiful. Okay. Now no wonder then it is used to make many things. Now yes, it's used to make the many things. Now Sakshi, you want to say something? I will unmute you, just ask your doubt. Okay. Hello Sakshi. So these are the some of the hard words which are there in this lesson. Okay. So let's see the hard words. Now window pane is like what? One piece of glass in window. Now furnace means what? A large and a very hot enclosed fire that is used for melting and burning the rubbish or the any other material. Stiff is a firm and difficult to bend. Okay, like as we see that the glass is stiff, brittle, transparent and impermeable, and then recycle. Okay, these all are the hard words which are there in this lesson. Impermeable means what? That not allowing liquid or gas to pass throughout it. Like if you are going to store water inside the glass bottle or glass jar, then water or the liquid material will be there as it is inside of it. But if you are going to store in a paper, then it will definitely going to leak. Okay, so this is one of the property of glass. Once you are done with the hard words writing, just type Y or O in the chat box so that I will get the instruction to move further. Okay. Siddharth. Okay. Thank you, Siddharth. Thank you, Sakshi. One more minute. I will wait over here. Yes. Okay. Now, student, once I will revise whole lesson so that you will understand in a good way. Okay. So let's see from starting onwards, that in the starting we saw that what are the different objects which we use in our day-to-day life is made up of glass. Then we saw that the glass is made up of sand, white sand and soda, and that the mixture get heated in a very high temperature and then it gets converted into liquid. And then we saw that how glass get their shape. Now we have that the glass have it available in different shapes. Some of the flat glass which are there in the window, then the bottle in the cylindrical shape, then the bulb, okay, and then the bowls. So these all are the glass is available in the different shape. For this we have seen that in the glass factory, what is people do that to make the glass product, they pour the liquid, that the hot liquid of sand and soda, they pour inside the mold. And I told you what is mold. Mold is something that a replica of anything like the bowl or the bottle. They pour inside of it and then they take it out. Now, same way, also we use in the making the window panes. Now, next thing we have seen the properties of glass. In that we have seen that the glass is transparent and even take the not allow substance to just leak down, and then keep the substance as it is. Okay, the material, if you are going to store like milk and all, the smell will not change. And even we at the last we have seen that it looks beautiful, and that is the reason whenever the guests arrive in our home, that time we serve liquid or any juice or anything in the glass utensils. Now then is a color glass. We have seen that the glass is available in different color, not only in transparent white but also in the different red, blue, and then different deep colors, say yellow, purple, this or green, these all colors are available. While making the glass, what people do, sand with the sand and the chemical like soda, they add the color chemicals, and with the help of this they make the color glass. Now next we saw that the glass the glass is also used to make the sculptures like the pot and many more different things. And even we have seen the glass paintings are also done, and stained glass window mostly in the church we are able to see. One of the example is given in the picture. Now next we have seen that the glass is also recyclable, 100% cycle. We can recycle the glass, and this can save the 20 minutes of the power in which the TV runs. So whenever the glass products you're going to buy, you can keep in mind that yes, it can be recyclable and it will save our energy too. Okay, so in this way you can even save our environment. This is all about the things which we learn about the glass. Now it's time to know that, do you have any doubt related to this lesson? Okay, and no. Okay, thank you so much, student. Now it's time of reading. Okay, we will do the reading of this.